back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is TJ. So in this video, I'm gonna do an unboxing. I decided to revamp my living room a little bit with the new year coming up. I wanted to, you know, make it fresh or keep it fresh. You know, because sometimes you do get tired of looking at the same thing or having things in the same order. So for the new year, I highly suggest that, you know, rearrange your apartment or your home so that it's like a fresh perspective on your home. You won't feel like it's the same, you know, the same space. You'll be surprised how much, if you switch around your living room, how much it feels new and different. So I wanted to share this unboxing with you guys. It's I bought 2 new Ottomans on Wayfair. I wanted to have additional seating area in the living room, and then I'm gonna show you some other areas that I changed around a little bit. So without no further ado, let's start this unboxing. So here's the box. It came into this big box, not really big box, but all wrapped up with lots of plastic. So now I gotta break through the plastic. So, shoot. I almost cut myself. Whoops, sorry. Okay. Always be careful when you're opening boxes because you don't want to damage the furniture. So I always try to just use the tip of the knife to cut through the tape, because I will be pissed if I ever cut this Ottoman by accident. Super excited! Here it is. So I'm gonna turn it over, kind of. Oh shit. So it came into this bubble wrap. Throw it over there. Throw it over there. So this is the Ottoman. It comes with assembly instructions. It also has 4 feet that you attach, and some of this stuff in here. But I wanted an Ottoman with tons of storage so I could put, you know, my throw pillows and also my blankets. So let's open this. Let's open this. Come on. So I come with these plastic feet. Don't mind my nails, they look awful. But here are the plastic feet. This camera is just like focusing on my face, but whatever. Do you, boo boo? And my nail is bending. How do you attach this? Let's see what the instruction says, because this doesn't even make sense. Because the bottom of it has a cloth. And according to this, I'm supposed to have screws. Oh, here are the screws that comes with it. And this, so how are you supposed to connect the screws? You know what? I'm not even gonna bother with this because this doesn't even make sense. If you look at the bottom doesn't have any hole. So where am I gonna put the legs? That doesn't even make sense. Am I supposed to make a hole and put it in? I'm confused. I swear these Chinese directions or something else. I guess, oh, I'm supposed to do this and then screw it in here at the bottom of the foot. I'm supposed to put the screw into here. Well, I'm not gonna do that right now. I'll save it for another day. So, okay, this is the Ottoman. It doesn't have a hinge. As you can see here, it doesn't have a hinge inside. Let me zoom in and show you guys, but whoops, shit, sorry. But if you look here, it doesn't have any hinges. It's just you know, a black interior, and you just basically close it and that's it. But the material is gorgeous. It's linen and it has some stitching here. As you can see here, it has some stitching. It's gorgeous. I think it's beautifully made. And it was, I believe I got this. There's a sale on Wayfair, so I think this is going for $98. But I love the linen material. It's very nice. And the cushioning, it's very firm. As you can see here, if you sit on it, it's quite comfortable. I think it's a great piece. If you look here, the stitching goes all the way down. The Ottoman on all sides. If I switch it around, see here, the stitching goes down in the middle and all four sides. But I think it's beautiful. That's the other Ottoman over there. So I got two. I really like it. It's very nice. It kind of goes with the living room. I didn't want something dark. I wanted something light. And this is like the perfect mix. I think this is like a ivory. It's not a top, because top is, or taupe. It's more like a brown beige, but this is more like a beige silver. So it's really neutral and it goes well with my carpet and also my couch, since it's very neutral and I'm going for a neutral look. So let me give you some the dimensions on this. I believe, I'm trying to get this on my phone. Wayfair. Let's go to Wayfair. Let's go to my orders. So it's called the Zenobia Storage Cube. Come on, click. Click. Oh. It's like Wayfair always doing this to me. So now I gotta search it. It's the storage cube. So now it's sending me to something else, you know? Let me try to find it on here. My orders. I'm gonna go to my orders. Then I'm gonna click on here. Okay, so here it is. Whoops. Nope, not that. So it's the this is it right here. This is the Ottoman. As you can tell on here, it looks ivory, but it's actually a darker silver. It's like a silver ivory, which is gorgeous. See, it's on sale for $98.99. And let me give you some of the weight and dimensions. Here it is. It's 19.5 inches in height, 17 in width and length, which is pretty good. It's pretty high for a storage cube, because usually seating is what, 18 inches. So that is pretty comfortable. I don't like low seating because I do have back issues, so this is perfect. Sorry, my phone, I dropped and broke my phone. But this is perfect for sitting. It's comfortable. It's not too low. It's perfect height, especially with the plastic feet, which I'm not a fan of, but it is what it is. So the option is yours if you decide to use the feet or not. So I think this is a great piece to have in your home. So let me show it to you guys, you know, in my living room. So I'm gonna put the 2 cubes over here. This is where all my extra seating. I'm gonna put my extra seating over here. But once I have my living room, you know, all organized and stuff and clean, then I'll basically, but this is where I'm thinking of putting it, right here in my living room, which gives plenty of extra storage, which is what I'm looking for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel, and I appreciate you watching this video and this unboxing. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. If you have any questions, of course, you can always ask me in the comment section down below. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye and have a good night.